Hello and welcome to my videos.
Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to securely wipe files in Linux. So if I look at some files that I want to get rid of, if I just delete them, as you know, they don't disappear. So what we need to do, we need to securely wipe those files. And the easiest way to do that is to open a terminal in the directory that you want to work in. Then type in shred space -u -v -z, and the name of the file. Now it will accept wildcards such as the star. Just press enter and you can see that it wipes and deletes all the files. Now you can do the same by just adding file names. So say you had 3 files, you could say my file 1, add a file or any file, and use it like that. We've got a large selection of files here. This is a text file that you can see. If we want to get rid of that, again, open a terminal in the folder. Shred -u v z, and then if we use if we put a space and -n and then space 5, that will overwrite 5 times. So we just put a name in. Again, we'd overwrite the file 5 times. So it says 6, but the overwrite, the last overwrite, is the zeros. Okay? And again, we'll do it for this file. This time we'll overwrite it 10 times. Put in the first couple of letters, then press Tab to complete. And then you can see that it's overwritten the file, and then it's renamed the file with all zeros, and it's written over those as well, then all over those 0 files each time. All these files we want to get rid of. So if we want to get rid of all the files, again, we're just going to use a wildcard. Now with the shred command, you can't delete folders on your files. If I don't specify how many times I want to delete it, delete a file or many files, it will delete them 3 times. It will overwrite them 3 times. Plus we've specified the Z, so it actually overwrites 4 times. As you saw, you can overwrite any type of file. It doesn't matter what type of file it is, you can overwrite them. But as I said, it's only files, not folders.
There you go, that's all done. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep coming back and I'm sure there'll be more videos to look at.